Hey there, YouTube. Let me tell you a story. So, last year, I wanted to get my dad's old Yamaha restored, and I got kind of bored with the project, so I stopped working on it. But in the meantime, I ordered a carburetor from, what the hell's their name? KIPA, K-I-P-A. And, well, here. And this is that carburetor I ordered from them last year. Now, stupid me, I didn't put it on until this year when I got motivated again. And it didn't work worth a crap. I took it all apart, checked every component, couldn't figure out why, but it was causing the quad to like backfire and act weird and rev really high when I turned the gas off. It was crazy. But this is the one I got last year. Okay, so I'm like, alright, so maybe something was wrong with this one, because I did notice when I got this one last year, it was missing the studs for the manifold and the air filter, or the fuel filter that was supposed to come with it, and the other size jet that was supposed to come with it. So I was like, alright, I'll just order another one. So I ordered another one, and this one looks better because the screw for the idle actually looks like the one that's on the original. But I attempted to put this on, and I had a hell of a time getting the choke thing out of the socket. Like the, I don't know what you'd call it, the bolt that holds the choke in. And once I take it out of there, I see that the threads are stripped to shit. So I couldn't work, or I couldn't ride the quad another day. So, here's the bolt that came in it. So, I do note what's kind of strange, in the new KIPA that I ordered, the choke thing was like made out of, I don't know, steel. And then on my original Mikuni and on the KIPA I ordered last year, it was made out of like a brass material. It was made out of like a brass material. And I wonder if they put the wrong choke thing in here at the factory, like the wrong size, and that's why it destroyed it. Just a thought. But anyway, it's not my job to figure out their production problems. So I do note that the one I got this year says KIPA on it, and the one I got last year did not. I did order it from KIPA 2012, I think it is, or KIPA 2011, I don't know, something like that. I'll post it here. But anyway, so yeah, I got really frustrated, and I tore apart the carburetor. The original 1986 carburetor that's now 33 years old. I took out the main jet, the pilot jet, blasted those with air. A couple of the channels on the pilot jet has like holes. I don't know what you call it, like a silencer or something. It has some holes. I cleared those out and put it all back together, and this baby purrs like a kitten. I should have done this originally. I was trying to be lazy, and in doing so I took that 2018 KIPA carburetor off and on. I should not 7 times, which isn't fun. It's probably not good on the cables either, but I put it all back together this last time, and it's running amazing. I'll post a video at the end of this of how it was running with the stupid KIPA carburetor on there. But yeah, let's fire this up. No choke. Switch on. Key on. No problems. I did put a nice little $7 petcock on here. That was before I took off the KIPA, and it didn't fix anything. I thought this might have been messed up or clogged, but nope. But regardless, I got a new petcock out of it. But yeah, to remove the carburetor on this YFM225, it's actually relatively easy if you're thinking about doing this yourself. Just 2 bolts that hold it on to the manifold on either side here. The choke cable on the other side of the throttle has to come out. Be careful not to drop the little choke thing into the engine. This has to be unscrewed, and the fuel comes off, and the fuel vent comes off. And then there's 4 screws on the bottom of the float pole that comes apart. It's all pretty easy, actually. I wish I would have just done it before and tore it apart, but live and learn. Thanks for watching, and now for the video of it killing my 4-wheeler almost.